Hello guys, welcome to my channel. A very happy new year to all of you. I wish this year brings success and happiness to your life and also stay healthy and safe. So guys, today video is about how to make plans for a year and a month. Let's start it. As you can see, already partition of page is done. So now I will start writing what I have to do in here. So half portion I have given for year plans and half for month plans. So you can see I write year. Here I will write what I have to do in whole year. My strategies, my plan for the year. First of all I write it study. Then I am writing second exercise. And third I will write revision. And fourth I will write punctuality is important. Now I will write about what I have to do in month, like first of all in January, what I have to do in January. So first of all I have to complete economics, second polity, third current affairs. While writing this I reminded that in year also I have to write current affairs, so I done that. Now I just wanna explain you my plans. As you can see in year, first of all I noted down study, as my main objective is study and achieve aim. So study is must in whole year. Next I noted down exercise, just to freshen up myself, and for healthy body I have to do exercise. And let me tell you, in exercise it can be a run, walk, exercise, yoga and physical activity, depends on time and situation. On third I noted down revision, as we give our best in study, but if we don't do revision our outcome will be not that much good according to our input. So revision is must. Next, on fourth number, I noted down punctual. Guys, I make plans and strategy. Okay. But what is the profit behind them if I am not punctual to them? So punctuality is also must. At number fifth, I noted down current affairs. On my personal point of view, I think daily current affair knowledge is must. Further, I feel I have to add something, I can do it later. Now, in monthly plan, I noted down economics, politics, and current affair. So this is my plans or strategy for the month. Likewise, I can update them according to the month and requirement. So guys, now we will plan about our month. So in this, we will first of all make a calendar for a month. Like here, I am making calendar for January. Like this, I will write down about other months also, and here is the view of my whole work. At the end of the day I will note down my goal of the day are completed or not in each box. Like this I will have a complete data of my month with myself, and likewise I will further schedule my day. As usual, I want to tell you that this is my way and my point of view how to plan. Your ways can be different, so just do the things which make you comfortable. Guys, I just want to share my way of planning with you and I hope they work for you. If you wanna share anything with me, you can catch me up on my Insta handle YourAlive1999. If you like my work, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.